In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Trello boards using Rewind. This tutorial is perfect for ensuring your valuable board data is safe and can be easily recovered if needed. Let's jump right in and get started. Firstly, open up your desired Trello board. At the top of the page, you're going to see the menu options available to you, and one of those is Power-Ups. Go ahead and click on it. Power-ups are special features that you can add to your Trello board to expand its capabilities, and today we're focusing on one that will back up your data. Next, you're going to look for the option to add power-ups. Once you find it, click on it. This will direct you to a page with a host of available power-ups. Now's the time to take advantage of Trello's extensive library to find the one that's right for you. Here comes the crucial part: finding Rewind. In the search bar of the power-ups page, type in Rewind. As you type, results will start to pop up, so keep an eye out for backups for Trello. That's the one we need, and once you spot it, click on Add. This step is about enabling the tool that will continuously ensure your board data is backed up safely. Once you've added the Rewind power-up, you'll notice it available to add. Click on Add once more for confirmation. This ensures that the power-up is completely integrated into your Trello workflow. It's important to follow through with this step so that you can start using Rewind effectively. Now, with Rewind added, you'll see an option to go to Rewind backups. Click on that link. This step takes you directly to Rewind's interface where you'll manage and set up your backups. Next, in the interface, you're going to see options to highlight your choice. Click on Highlight to move forward. After highlighting, you can select the boards you want to back up. If you have several boards, you might want to click on Select All for convenience. This ensures every part of your Trello environment is protected. Alternatively, if you prefer to choose only specific projects, you can select boards individually to suit your needs. If you think you'll frequently create new boards and want them protected right away, make sure to enable the Automatically Backup New Boards option. This is an excellent way to automate your backup process for future projects. After making your selections and settings, you'll want to proceed by clicking on Next. This step concludes your setup and prepares you for the last part, which is activating your service with a free trial. Finally, enter your card details to initiate the trial for Rewind's backup service. This step finalizes the setup and lets you start enjoying the peace of mind that comes with automated data protection. That's it, you've successfully learned how to back up your Trello boards using Rewind. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.